How to reply to multiple questions on Instagram. NGL link tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is good. We are going to reply to multiple questions on one post. So as you can see here, I am in NGL and this is my inbox. Now, right over here, you can see there are a few questions. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this one right over here. And it says, send me anonymous messages. You have good style. That's great. Now we're going to go down and tap on reply. Now this is from the NGL team and that's okay. The process will be the exact same regardless of who actually sent this message. So as you can see, we have our message that's sent. We're going to go up to the top of the page. We can add some text over here, and here we can say thank you very much, and we can then just take this reply and we can actually move it just underneath our image. So what we can do now is we can go to the top right hand side of the screen. There are three dots that'll give you a menu. Now if your network is not good and you tap on save, it'll give you an error message. But if your network connection is okay, what will happen if you tap on save? It'll actually save this post. It'll say processing. So what will now happen is it'll save this as a photograph. So what you can do in your following steps is when you reply, you're going to go ahead and you are going to maybe make this a little bit smaller. You can now put this up to the left hand side of the screen. And if you have saved replies as you have saved this one previously, you're going to go into your stickers on the top of the screen. And once you go into stickers, you can see that there are a bunch of stickers. You're going to scroll down to the icon that looks like a plus button on a card. You're going to tap that. Now basically what happens here is you have the opportunity to see your gallery, and if you have previously saved some of the messages like this one over here, you can now take this one and you can add it in to your post. So we're going to take this one and we're going to make it a little bit bigger just for example's sake, and you can post this one right over here. So now you are replying to multiple people on one post. So you can now add as many as you'd like. You can add as much as the page can see, and you can now go ahead and tap on your story at the bottom and it'll now reply to these people and it will be saved as your story and these people will all see this post. I hope that this was helpful. If you want to know more NGL tips and tricks, I've got a bunch of videos. Here is one right here. You can go ahead and we will meet you over there.